I started using tobacco in my late teens, early 20s. Everything centered around smoking. I think back and it's kind of shameful because even the activities that I did with my family, I put them second.
I played softball growing up. When I first hit my home run, I looked up and my dad wasn't there. He was outside of the field smoking, waving at me. And I can tell he was happy, but I wanted him to be right behind home plate. Not only once did this happen, but it happened twice. During the home runs, he was never there.
Looking back now, I feel that I cheated my family. That I could have done more to support them when I'm saving for cigarettes or spending money on smoking. It's taking money out of their activities. That's taking money away from them. That's, one meal that we could go enjoy together as a family that I'm using selfishly. I look back and it makes me feel bad. It really does.
When my dad quit smoking, it made me feel very proud because he was willing to do that for me and our family.
Since I quit smoking, the more money that I'm able to save, the more money I'm able to do better things. And some of the things we're able to do is take vacations, those type things. So the rewards, I make sure that I reward myself often because, it's not just me that I'm rewarding. It's make up for my family.